If you've ever been told that the only way to make money online is by learning a high income skill, starting a business, or becoming an influencer, then you've been lied to. What if I told you there are companies willing to pay everyday people just for sharing their opinions? Right now, major brands are spending millions of dollars trying to understand consumer behavior. They want feedback on their products, on their services, on their advertisements, on their apps, on their shopping habits, on marketing trends. And instead of guessing what customers think, they pay real people to complete surveys and provide honest opinions. Now, let's be clear. Survey platforms will make you rich and they shouldn't replace a full-time income, all right? But if you're looking for a simple way to earn extra dollars online with a little or no experience, these platforms can be a great starting point. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 survey and reward platforms that allow Nigerians and Africans use them, how they work, how much you can realistically earn, and which one is actually worth your time. So the number one platform I'm going to show you today is Survey Junkie. And this is one of the most recognized survey platforms in the world. Companies use this platform to collect feedbacks about their products, their services, their shopping habits, and customer preferences. The platform operates using a point system that converts into cash rewards once you reach the withdrawal threshold, all right? As you can see, take surveys, get paid, be an influencer, share your opinion to help brands deliver better products and services. The website is surveyjunkie.com, all right? So you can join by creating your account. So when you come here, you can just log in here. And if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up and you can create your account, all right? So what happens is when you create your account, Survey Junkie will match you with relevant surveys. Most surveys take between 5 and 25 minutes to complete, and your earnings are typically from 0.5 cents to $5 per survey, depending on the complexity. All right, so as you can see, you need to really be active to be able to, make some earnings in this platform. You need to really be active, So my tip for this platform is to complete your profile as thoroughly as possible. The more information the platform has about you, the more surveys you will qualify to get. All right, so that's number one platform. Number two platform I'm going to be mentioning today is this platform. It's called TGM Panel. TGM Panel. Like I said, I'm going to drop all this link on our Telegram channel or even on the description, on the YouTube description. So do well to look out for the documentation for this video so that you don't have to be struggling to get the URLs, okay? Like I said, TGM Panel, this is also a global survey community that tends to offer better survey availability for Africans, compared to other competition. Surveys here often focus on consumer products, media consumption, brand awareness, and purchasing habits. As you can see on their dashboard or on the website, earn money with paid online surveys. Want to make some extra cash without leaving your couch? You are in the right place. So this is the platform, and they have 436 reviews on Trustpilot, which is really good. Over 4.5 review rating, which is really, really good. Let's see how many countries they allow in Africa. So as you can see, Nigeria is accepted. Nigeria is accepted. So you don't have issue if you're in Nigeria. You can even click on this link to go to their Nigerian, specific Nigerian website. So if you're in Nigeria, this is Lagos, right? This picture here is Lagos. So earn money on surveys. So you can create your account here specifically for Nigerian markets and you can get surveys. This is really, really cool. All right, so this is the second platform I want to show you today. The third platform I'm going to be showing you on today's video is Swagbox. Swagbox. So Swagbox is much more than a survey platform. In addition to survey, users can earn by watching videos, testing apps, shopping online, playing games, completing promotional, offers. This variety makes it one of the most popular reward platforms globally. To start, on this platform, you just need to create your account. All right. When you create your account, complete the activities and start earning their points. Start earning their points. As you can see, over the years, they've been able to pay out over 695 million. That's a lot of money, $695 million. That's quite a lot of money, and of course you can make the payout here is depending on what you do, the complexity of your job. I really don't want to mention the payout because it varies. It varies. So you just need to sign up and see what it looks like. And if you're signing up from Nigeria, if you're signing up from Ghana, from South Africa, it might be different for you. It might be different for you. So you just have to go in first and see what it looks like. So get paid to answer surveys, cashback shopping online, entertainment that pays, and all of that. It has over 43,000, wow, 43,000 reviews, and it's rated 4.1, which is really, really good. Really, really good. So I bet you should check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Then also make sure you leave a comment when you check it out. Leave a comment. Tell me what's working. Tell me, did it work for you? What did you notice? What did you observe? And all of that. Platform 4 that I'm going to show today is Surveyor. Surveyor. I don't know if this is Surveyor or Surveyor. So Surveyor, I think this is an Italian company. Yeah, because I'm using Google Translate to be able to open it up. But this is an Italian company that pay you to also take surveys. You say paid online surveys, earn money online with Surveyor. With Surveyor, you can voice your opinion, earn fantastic rewards simply by answering online surveys. All right. This is really good. This is really good. This is really good. So it's a European platform, like Italian platform. Italy is in the Europe. It has a clean interface and regularly publishes new studies focused on consumer products, services, lifestyle, and all of that. So what you need to do is just to come and register, complete your demographic profile and start accepting survey invitation. Most surveys pay from 0 to 5 cents to $4. With some specialized studies paying even more. So, but of course, you need to log in, check what works for you because it differs based on countries. And my tip for this surveyor is to log in at least few times each week. Survey opportunities often fill quickly, and early participants have the best chance of qualifying. So that's like the 4th one. So number 5 on our list today is Timebox. Timebox offers a broader range of earning opportunities than traditional survey sites. In addition to survey, users can earn by watching videos, completing social media tasks, testing products, and participating in promotional campaign. All right. So what happens here when you create your account? It only takes a few minutes anyways. And once you are registered, you can start exploring available earning categories. Most users earn between, $10, $15. It depends on your task. It depends on your task. And this is a quick disclaimer. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You need to do some work, and I'm not promising you any earning. This is entirely dependent on the work you deliver and how good the platform determines your work to be. All right. So my tip for this platform is explore multiple earning categories, including focusing on surveys. My tip for this Timebox is for you to explore multiple options, explore multiple opportunities on this platform. Instead of focusing on just one, diversify your activities so that you have more opportunities to earn money. All right, that's number 5. Okay, so number 6 on our platform today is Price Rebel. Price Rebel. Well, this is really very new for me. So this is one of the longest running reward platforms online. Members earn points by completing surveys, offers, and small online tasks before converting these points into real cash. All right. Most surveys can pay you from 25 cents to $5, and many active users report earning between $20 to $100. But this is basically this is evaluated based on the work you deliver. All right. So one advantage of this platform is its low withdrawal threshold, making it easy for beginners to receive their payouts really quickly. So you don't need to reach a huge threshold. All right. So this is it, Price Rebel. When you come on this platform, you can just sign up with your Gmail or with your Apple, and voila, you just sign up and you start completing tasks and you start getting paid. All right. My tip for Price Rebel is to aim for consistency. Small daily earnings often add up faster than occasional burst of activity. So that's like number 6. Number 7 for us today is free cash. All right. So get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. So this is the app, free cash. All right. So it says average withdrawal sent yesterday was $23.30. Total money earned $300 million. I mean, these are all platform earnings. This is not money that you will earn. This is platform earnings. So I advise you to, do all your due diligence and read through the website correctly and all of that. All right. So this is the platform. Free cash gives you opportunity to play games, complete offers, join surveys, and you make some earnings for yourself. All right. Also, these guys, they have 292,000 reviews on Trustpilot. So they're actually real. And you see reviews even as fresh as 3 days ago, even a day ago. So this is quite impressive for a company like this. So my tip for Fresh Cash is to prioritize high value offers rather than low paying surveys whenever possible. Number 8 on our list today is YSense. YSense, formerly known as ClickSense, right? This has been around for years. This particular platform has been around for years and remains one of the most trusted survey and tax platforms online. It combines surveys, micro tax, referral opportunities within a single platform. New users can register for free and begin completing surveys immediately. Most surveys pay between 5 cents to $5, right? So, so you just need to do the work that you need to do. Just as you can see on the platform, when you come in, you just either you download the app or you can sign up. All right. So if you check through their Trustpilot reviews, now you can see that a lot of people are also saying good things about them. I actually took my time to research these platforms, so they are not gimmicks. They are real platforms that actually give you opportunities to work online. All right. So that's number 8. Number 9 on our platform today is Toluna. All right. It is Toluna. So Toluna is one of the world's largest survey communities. Beyond standard surveys, members can participate in product testing, campaigns, community discussions, and a lot more. All right. So as you can see, they have 238,000 reviews on Trustpilot. I think this is definitely a great way to earn money and share my honest opinion. So this is somebody's feedback on Toluna. All right. So it actually works. Join Toluna Influencers, a community of people just like you. Share your opinions on products and services of brands you love to get rewarded for your participation in online surveys. So this actually really works. So that's like number 9. The last platform on our list today is Panel Champ. Panel Champ is a smaller survey platform that offers straightforward surveys and relatively quick payouts because it has fewer members than these large platforms. All right, it has fewer members. So so you just go to panelchamp.com. Just go to panelchamp.com and you'll be able to get some jobs. So of course you can start by selecting your country. So let's see. I don't know if Nigeria is here. So I think they should have Africa. Let's see. So these guys, they don't have Africa. They only have America, Europe, and Asia. So, but of course, it pays. So maybe if your country is not here, you can send to your friend who is any of the countries listed here. So these are the 10 survey platforms that can help you, that offers you opportunities to start getting payments for the work that you deliver on the platforms. Here's what most people get wrong about survey platforms. They join one platform, complete 3 surveys, earn a few dollars, and immediately they decide it's not worth it. The people who earn consistently understand that survey sites are not designed to replace a real remote salary work. They are designed to provide supplementary income. The smartest approach is to join several reputable platforms, complete your profiles properly, spend a little time each day taking advantage of available opportunities, Remember, the goal isn't to get rich from survey. The goal is to create another stream of income that will support your bigger opportunities as you keep planning for them. Opportunities are everywhere. Like I always say, positioning is very rare. If you find this video helpful, help me to like this, subscribe, comment, like, share, send it to anybody you know that is looking for a legitimate remote online work. And if you're serious about learning more, ways to access global opportunities, more ways to make money, then do well to check out the resources in the description, of this video. All right.